We have been collaborating with Dosetec for a while. If I'm not wrong, our first project was implemented in 2003, so it's been 21 years. It has been long, and it means that it has been good. It's very important that Dosetec is our group supplier, so they know our standards and we know the quality what they're supplying. And of course, this project what we implemented last year, that was quite complex as well. This information about this project has been confidential for long. Now it's of course public and everybody knows why we were doing this project. And this is of course let's say we are uniting the both Baltic bakeries in one modern facility to increase our productivity and to get better productivity and as well the profitability for our business. And I knew that we will need to extend our dosing capabilities. And at that point, we were never considering any other supplier than Dosetec. We did the installations of 2 additional silos, the big bag station, as well quite big changes was done with the screwdrivers of feeding the scaling towers. And of course, it all is linked with the program changes as well, where Dosetec supplied as well the new program for us, and the system was completely reset for the new dosing let's say, requirements what was needed for this project. I think that the biggest effort from the Dosetec in this project was that they were ready for this complexity. It was a lack of space, lack of room, stopping the production, doing the parallel installations. So actually I was pretty amazed how good they are on planning and how well we carried out. We had some delays with the production of equipment, but those were so small. We were informed on time. We were preparing very good installation schedule, and I could even say that we stick into the hours, not even the days, to complete it. And we completed in a good manner, in a good way. So yeah, it went very smooth, I would say. We will definitely repeat this if there will be such a necessity.